Welcome to a short video. Today I'm going to share with you some of the lessons that I've learned as a beginner paramotor or paraglider pilot. Things that you want to look out for is checking the weather and most acutely the wind. So the 5 areas I want to talk about is, the first one is base wind. That is, you want to make sure that it is no more than 12 miles per hour. And if you're a beginner pilot, somewhere around 6 miles per hour. The wind direction changes. You want to check the wind at elevation or at surface level, 500 feet, 1,000 feet, however high you're going to be going. The second one is wind gusts. That is when wind comes through thermal, and you want to make sure that's no more than 15 miles per hour. And then the speed change, which is related to a thermal, that would be 5 miles per hour every 5 seconds. And then lastly is the wind speed change at different elevations. So from 0, 500, 1,000 feet. You want to look at how the wind speed changes there. A couple of the apps that I use is windy.com. So if you click on that, click on here, then you can see the forecast. And down here on the first row is the wind. So for tomorrow example, 9, 7, 6, that looks pretty good. The wind gust is 14, which is, hi Claire, just a minute, I'm filming. I'll be done in a minute. All right, and the wind gust is 14 miles an hour, so that all looks good. What then we want to do, see these purple arrows, is the wind direction. And what we can do is, close that and then come over here and we can check at the different levels. So let's slide this over. There's 300 feet. You can see the wind direction changed a little bit. And let's go back here. Check the wind speeds again. For tomorrow, a little bit higher, 9, 7, 6, a little bit higher gusts. And then let's go and change the altitude again. Come over to this menu, change it up to
It's been a big day, huh?
2,000 feet. Now you can see the wind is out of the northeast. And then, Riley, stop. I'm recording. Okay. Now the wind is out of the northeast. And look at the wind speeds. Not much has changed, so a little bit of direction. So that tells you the base wind and the gusts at different elevation. The other thing I want to share with you is the website aviationweather.gov. And if you come up here to forecast, click on turbulence, then click on this guide. And then over here, choose light for aircraft. And then we're going to start at elevation or surface level. And you can go up 1,000 feet as well. But if you look at, right now we're in the moderate, which is pretty rocky. So you might want to probably safer in the white or the blue. And what this does, and I could be wrong on this, but I believe this is checking thermals, and this is what really is that speed change. So that other point of gusts coming in very quickly. So anyway, main points that I have learned so far, I think, the last one I want to talk about is a windsock. So a windsock is the best way to look. Well, the apps tell you the weather out in the field, but once you get in the field, then a windsock is the best to look at how the weather's doing. So if a windsock is down, then obviously there's no wind. If a windsock is straight up, then you're gonna have high wind. And then somewhere in between actually is a good wind speed that you're looking at. And then as far as the wind, if it's going side to side, that's your wind window. And if it's going up and down, that's your turbulence or speed changes. So you want to look for that. All right, well, hopefully this helps. By no means is it totally comprehensive. I'm still learning. So if you have any additional tips, add those. And hopefully I'll make more of these videos. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. So long.